What's up, guys? This is Lane and Dalton from Cobb Family Outdoors, and we are going to be shooting the AR-15 9mm for water, for 2-liter water bottles down there.
I'm gonna do a couple specs over it before we get started. I'm gonna step over here a little bit. Get up close shot of it. This is a 7-inch barrel. It's a 9mm caliber, like he said. It has a Joe Bob Outfitter lower on it. Have a light on here, just a ProTech light. Got the other day with the pressure switch. Trying to figure out a good way to get it on there. If y'all have a good idea, let us know. A Palomino State arm brace. Have a Raptor charge handle, and just have Magpul grip here. So we're gonna do a little bit of shooting of it. Let's get started, guys.
I'll shoot two, and he will shoot 2 of them.
And again, here we have is a Sightmark Wolverine red dot. I'm hoping I'm in frame. All right.
We're sorry
if you guys can't see
that. Yeah, I'll shoot first. I've got my safety glasses here. They're really, really big.
I got it.
Got this right here. We're good.
You got to turn the red dot on, Lane.
Okay.
You got to put one in the chamber.
Yeah. I'll put one in.
Before you shoot. Dad just brought us a can of vanilla pudding. We're gonna sit down there and see if we can blow it up.
It's jamming.
Well, hold on a second.
It's jamming, guys. Look what it did to the bullet. I like shoved the end of it down there. Look.
The stovepipe.
Let's do that again, too.
Alright guys, we're gonna try to get this fixed and we'll come back to you.
Okay guys, we got it fixed. It's brand new magazines and the spring isn't fully working.
The spring is still tight in it. So, alright, so we're gonna shoot some.
I got my safety glasses and my ear protection here.
I got my ear protection.
And safety glasses.
Tell me before you shoot the pudding.
Actually,
we're gonna turn you guys around so you can see.
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot the pudding. Okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna shoot the pudding.
Not yet.
Okay. That one went far. I'm shooting the pudding.
Alright guys, I'm about to shoot it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot it real quick. Then riding down range. Seems like it's shooting a little to the right. Yep. And we're out.
That one went like like that one that was over there went like really, really high up in the air. Like way up there high.
Alright guys, we're going to give you a little up closer view again, I think. Like I said, it has the Palmetto State arm brace. It takes the Glock magazines, 32 round mags. We have a custom dust cover on here.
Don't tread on me.
And the sight is actually a really good red dot, and I'm actually thinking about getting one for my AR. Want to do that? If y'all want a video over that, please let us know. Use the Pro Light. It has a button on the side of it here for strobe, and then my pressure switch over here for momentary, and it stays on. We are using a Magpul mount for the light. Don't know what brand this is, but I like this hand stop. Fits my hand nice. We just have a bird cage on here. Let's flip it over and look at that lower.
I like the Spartan on it. Right there. I like the Spartan.
But yeah, I think we'll run the other mag through this and call it a video. Well, I think we're going to try to blow that can of pudding up.
Guys, come here and look on the inside.
Lane, eat it.
No, you eat it. Look at this thing.
Well, we know that a can of pudding's not going to save your life.
Nope.
Then we exploded the other bottles. So I think we're going to try to finish this thing off.
I'll finish it off. You get it ready for me? Or is it ready?
The gun's ready. I'm just going to flip it off safety. Get y'all turned back around. So what do you think about it? This is your first time shooting it? Yep.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty guys.
Hold on, let's go see what it looks like.
You wanna go see what it looks like?
Yeah. Let's take you guys with me. Well, I destroyed it.
Golly. That is nasty.
I destroyed it. I
You
mean,
see all the pieces of metal in there.
oh no. Look inside that. That's... I think it's gone.
Yep, pretty sure.
Do you think I did any damage to it?
If so, say down in the comments below.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it was fun shooting with y'all. And we'll come back sometime again, like always.
Yeah.
And do more gun views. I know y'all like that. So we'll see y'all next time, and like and subscribe.
Hit the bell icon down at the bottom to get notified for any of our upcoming videos.
And we'll see y'all later.
See you later.
Bye bye.